Viewers, I am here in this Mishref. There is a big expo regarding this construction sector. So we meet a lot of our friends, especially Madam. She came from the Australia also, and see there is a beautiful, looking nice one. And how many companies are involved today? And there's some visitors also with us. And I asked about what you feel, Madam, today this construction related this exhibition.
Actually, this construction expo is very good and useful for the people who's going to build their new houses with the latest technology, so they can get to know with this update and now in the new marketing. Yes.
Everything came in one page here.
Yes, it came in one page. Yes.
So
yes.
Mostly you like most of things. You visited also Pakistani.
Yes, we have visit your branch in Pakistani. Yes, it was very useful, and the construction was so useful. Yes, it was so useful.
What do you feel?
I found great, and this means everything under one roof, and especially because I'm a decor person and decoration, yes. So I like this work. This is very beautiful by hand and done by our Indian friend.
Yeah.
So I'm really proud of her. She did every note by her hand. So and of course Pakistanis are the base.
Yes,
yeah, and
What
proud
you
of
feel
them.
in future also same exhibition must
Should
be here.
happen. Should
Yes,
happen.
must be held here. Yes,
Yes.
in Kuwait.
Yeah.
Kuwait is also
and keep on holding. Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you all. All the best.
All the best.